Jai Gurudev to everyone, this is Minakshi and today I am going to take the maths of class 7th lesson number 3 rational numbers exercise number 3.2 part 4. In earlier video we have completed the sum question of this exercise. Now remaining question we are going to complete in this video. So the question number 6. The sum of two rational number is minus 4 by 5. If one of the number is minus 1 by 4, find the other number. So what is given here in the question? The sum of two rational number means the addition of two rational number is given as minus 4 by 5, and from that two number one number is given as minus 1 by 4 and another number we have to find out. So what is given in the question, we will write that first. Solution: given one number is minus 1 by 4 and let the other number be x. So one number is given, that is minus 1 by 4, and another number we have to find out. So for that we will take that other number as x. Then according to the condition or according to the question. In question it is given the sum of two rational number is minus 4 by 5. So the sum of two rational number means the sum of these two number from which one number is given and another we have taken as x. So the sum of two rational number is minus 4 by 5. It means minus 1 by 4 plus x is equals to minus 4 by 5. So now we have to simplify this equation, and while simplifying this equation we will get the value of x, and whatever we will get the value of x, that will be the another number. So now first notice here x is the variable term and minus 1 by 4 is the numerical term. So as this one is the numerical term and minus 4 by 5 is also a numerical term, so we will shift this minus 1 by 4 to another side. So the minus 1 by 4 will become plus 1 by 4 when we will shift it from left hand side to right hand side. So that is x equals to minus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 4. So now here in between these two rational number we have to perform the addition. So for performing the addition we want the denominator same, but here for the first rational number denominator is given 5 and for the second rational number denominator is given 4. So first we want the denominator as same, and we know by LCM method we can take out the LCM of two number, or simply we can do the cross multiplication, as here only two rational numbers are given. So simply we will do the cross multiplication. It means we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of first rational number with 4, and we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of second rational number with 5. So that is x equals to minus 4 into 4 divided by 5 into 4 plus 1 into 5 divided by 4 into 5. That is minus 4 into 4 is minus 16, 5 into 4 is 20, plus 1 into 5 is 5 and 4 into 5 is 20. So here we got the denominator same, that is 20. So we will take the LCM as 20. Then x equals to minus 16 plus 5. So denominator we got same, so we will write denominator as 20 and we will perform the addition between the numerators. So that is minus 16 plus 5. Now minus plus will be minus, it means 16 minus 5 will be 11, but here we will write minus 11 because the greater number is 16 and the sign for 16 is given minus, so that's why here we will write minus 11 by 20. So we got the value of x as minus 11 by 20. It means the another rational number is minus 11 by 20. Then question number 7. What number should be added to 8 by 9 to get 1? So what is given in the question? What number should be added to 8 by 9? Means what number we will add to 8 by 9 to get the result as 1. So for that we will take the number as x, which we will add to 8 by 9 to get 1. So let the number be x. Then according to the question, what number will be added, that number we have taken as x, means x will be added to this number and we will get 1. So according to the question, the equation will be x plus 8 by 9 equals to 1. Now here x is the variable term and 8 by 9 is the numerical term and 1 is also a numerical term. So we will shift numerical term to another side, and as it is given in the form of addition, when we will transfer to another side it will goes in the form of subtraction. So that is x equals to 1 minus 8 by 9. So now here we can notice it is in the form of mixed fraction, we will convert it in the proper fraction. So simply multiply 9 with 1 and subtract it with 8. So that is 9 into 1 is 9 minus 8 divided by 9. Then 9 minus 8 is 1 divided by 9. Therefore the x is 1 by 9. So what number should be added to 8 by 9? So that is 1 by 9 should be added to 8 by 9 to get 1. Then question number 8. Subtract the sum of 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 8 from 2. So listen carefully the question. What is given in the question? Subtract the sum of these two rational numbers. Subtract the sum of these two rational numbers from 2. Means first we have to add these two numbers, and whatever we will get the addition of these two rational numbers, we have to subtract that addition from 2. So according to the question, our equation will be 2 minus in bracket 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 8. So as it is given, subtract the sum of 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 8 from 2. So 2 minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 8. So that equals to 2 minus 2 by 3 plus, as here it is given minus and plus, so we will write this rational number in the bracket, that is minus 7 by 8. Now here notice that this plus and minus sign are in the form of multiplication. So first we will multiply this sign, and we know that plus minus will be minus. So that is 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 8. Now here we have to perform the subtraction between these two rational number, and for that we want the denominator as same. So for that here we will do the simply cross multiplication. So that is 2 minus 2 into 8 divided by 3 into 8 minus 7 into 3 divided by 8 into 3, that is 2 minus 16 divided by 24 minus 21 divided by 24. So here we got the denominator as same. So we will write denominator as 24 and we will do the subtraction between the numerators. So that is 2 minus 5. So how we got here minus 5? 16 minus 21 will be 5. And here sign of 21 is minus. So the greater number is 21. We will write the here sign before 5 as minus. So that is 2 minus 5 by 24. So now here minus will be plus. So that is 2 plus 5 by 24. Now multiply this 24 with 2 and add with 5. So that is 2 into 24 plus 5 divided by 24. 2 into 24 is 48 plus 5 divided by 24, and 48 plus 5 is 53 divided by 24. Then question number 9. Find the rational number 3 by 5 more than 1 by 2. Here we have to find out the rational number which is 3 by 5 more than 1 by 2. It means simply we will do the addition between these two rational numbers. So that is 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So for addition we want the denominator as same, and we will get the denominator as same by doing LCM method, or simply we can do the cross multiplication. It means we will multiply this rational number with 5 and this rational number with 2 and the second rational number with 5, so that we will get 5 into 2 as 10 as a denominator. So that is 3 into 2 divided by 5 into 2 plus 1 by 5 divided by 2 into 5. So that is 6 divided by 10 plus 5 divided by 10, that is 6 plus 5 divided by 10, which is equals to 11 by 10. Then question number 10. So this is the word problem. If the product of two rational number is 5, if one of them is 1 by 5, find the other number. So this type of question we did earlier also. So what is given here in the question? The product of two rational number is 5. It is given here the product of two rational number is 5, and from that two number, one number is given as 1 by 5 and another number we have to find out. So first we will write what is given. One given rational number is 1 by 5 and another number we have to find out. So we will take, let the other number be x. Then condition, what is given condition in the question? The product of two rational number is 5, means the product means multiplication. It means the multiplication of these two number is 5. So here we will write according to the condition 1 by 5 into x as equals to 5. So here x is numerical term, x is the variable term, 1 by 5 is the numerical term. So we will transfer this numerical term to another side, and when we are transferring the rational number to other side, which is given in the form of multiplication, while transferring this rational number we will transfer the reciprocal of it. So that is x into 5 into 5 by 1. So reciprocal of 1 by 5 will be 5 by 1. So now it is given multiplication, so simply multiply the numerator with numerator and the denominator with denominator. For 5, if denominator is not given, it means it is 5 by 1. So that is 5 into 5 divided by 1 into 1, which is equals to 25 by 1, and 25 by 1 is nothing but 25. Therefore we got the value of x as 25. Then question number 11. By what number should 2 by 11 be multiplied to get minus 2 by 3? Same as earlier question, it is given here. By what number we should multiply 2 by 11 to get minus 2 by 3? So what number we will multiply with this number? So that number we will take as x. So let the number be x. Now multiplication of x and this number is equals to minus 2 by 3. So we will write it according to the question. 2 divided by 11 into x equals to minus 2 by 3. Now transfer this 2 by 11 to another side. It means while transferring we will write the reciprocal of this as it is given in the form of multiplication. So that is x equals to minus 2 by 3 into 11 by 2. Now here 2 will get cancelled. So what is left? X equals to minus 1 by 3 into 11 by 1. Now simply multiply the numerator with numerator and the denominator with denominator. So that is x equals to minus 1 into 11 divided by 3 into 1. Minus 1 into 11 will be minus 11 and 3 into 1 will be 3. So that is we got x equals to minus 11 by 3. Then question number 12. So in question number 12 it is given solve A, question number A, minus 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 plus minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So here we have to simplify it. So in first two rational number denominator is given same as 7, and in the second two rational numbers also denominator is given same as 3. And here in first two rational number we have to perform the subtraction as it is given, and in second two rational number also we have to perform the subtraction, and whatever result we will get that we have to add. So that is minus 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 plus minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is equals to, as denominator are same, so we will write the LCM as 7 here, and we will perform the subtraction between the numerator. So that is minus 2 divided by 7 plus minus 2 divided by 3. Then minus 2 will be minus 4 divided by 7 plus minus 2 will be minus 4 divided by 3. Now here plus minus will be minus as they are in the form of multiplication. So here minus 4 by 7 minus 4 by 3. So now after doing the subtraction between these two rational numbers, we got the two new rational numbers, that is minus 4 by 7 and minus 4 by 3. So now in between them we have to do the subtraction again. So for that we want the denominator is same, where here the denominators are different. So here simply we will do the cross multiplication. So that is minus 4 into 3 divided by 7 into 3 minus 4 into 7 divided by 3 into 7. So that is minus 12 by 21 minus 28 by 21. So here we got denominator as 21, and then we will perform the subtraction between numerators. So that is minus 12 minus 28 divided by 21. So minus minus will be plus. It means 12 plus 28 is 40, and here the sign of 28 is given minus. So here we will write minus 40 divided by 21. Then question number B. Here also we have to simplify the equation. So that is 5 by 6 plus 2 by 7 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So here 5 by 6 plus 2 by 7 are given in the bracket, and we have to perform the addition between them. And here 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 4 are given in the bracket, and here we have to perform the subtraction between them, and whatever result we will get we have to multiply it. So here first we will write the LCM. So LCM of 6 and 7 will be 42, means simply multiply 4 into 7, that is 42, and the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, that is 4 into 3 is 12. It means what we did here, cross multiplication. So that is 5 by 6 plus 2 by 7 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 equals to. So now LCM is given for first two rational number as 42. It means we have to multiply the first rational number with 7 and the second rational number with 6. So that is 5 into 7 divided by 6 into 7 plus 2 into 6 divided by 7 into 6. And the LCM for second two rational numbers are 12. It means we will do the cross multiplication. So here 1 into 4 divided by 3 into 4 minus 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. So that is 35 divided by 42 plus 12 divided by 42 into 4 divided by 12 minus 3 divided by 12. So here we got the denominator same, and we will perform the addition between numerators. So that is 35 plus 12 divided by 42 into, here we got the LCM as 12. So we will perform the subtraction between numerator as it is given, subtract 4 minus 3 divided by 12. So that is 47 divided by 42 into 1 by 12. Now we got the two rational numbers, and then we have to perform the multiplication between them as it is given in the question. So simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So that is 47 into 1 divided by 42 into 12, that is 47 divided by 504. Then C. So in question number C it is given 4 by 7 divided by 16 by 49 plus 5 by 6 into 36 by 25. So 4 by 7 divided by 16 by 49, as it is given here division, and we know that when it is given division between two rational number, we have to convert this division in the form of multiplication, and when we convert this division in the multiplication, we will take the reciprocal of second rational number. So same method we will apply here also, that is 4 divided by 7 into 49 divided by 16, as the reciprocal of 16 by 49 is 49 by 16, plus 5 by 6 into 36 by 25, right, as it is because it is already given in the form of multiplication only. Now here cancellation is possible, so do it. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, then 7 into 1 is 7, and 7 into 7 is 49. Then here also 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25, then 6 into 1 is 6, and 6 into 6 is 36. So here we are left with 1 by 1 into 7 by 4 plus 1 by 1 into 6 by 5. So now do the multiplication between them as it is given to multiply 1 into 7 divided by 1 into 4 plus 1 into 6 divided by 1 into 5. So that is 7 divided by 4 plus 6 divided by 5. So now we got two new rational numbers, between them we have to perform the addition. For that we will take out the LCM, and we know the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20, because 4 into 5 is 20. So multiply the first rational number with 5 and the second rational number with 4. That is 7 into 5 divided by 4 into 5 plus 6 into 4 divided by 5 into 4. So that is 35 divided by 20 plus 24 divided by 20. Here we got the numerator as same. So we will write the LCM as 20 and we perform the addition between the numerators. Sorry, we got the denominator as same. So then 35 plus 24 divided by 20, and 35 plus 24 is 59 divided by 20. So thank you for watching my video. I hope whatever questions explained today in this video, they all are understand by you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my teaching, so please do like, subscribe, comment and share to my channel. Thank you so much.